In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can calculate the difference between two dates. Here you can see that there is a starting date and there is an ending date. We are going to calculate the difference between two dates. So for this, we are going to show you two different ways to calculate this. Let's move to the first way. Enter equal, then click the end date, minus, then click the starting date. Press enter. Look, the difference between two dates is 45 days. Now let's move to the second way. Enter equal, then write days, then starting bracket, then end date, comma, then starting date, then close the bracket. Press enter. Look, 45 days is the difference between starting date and ending date. This is the two way you can calculate difference between starting date and ending date. Thanks for watching the video.